everyone, and welcome back to our series on helping kids become smart learners. Today, we're diving into some amazing coding platforms that will help your child start their coding journey. Do you know the best part? Many of them offer free login options. But I am not alone today. I have my curious little rabbit friend Lily with me. Lily is about to embark on an exciting adventure in a magical forest. But this is not an ordinary forest. It's filled with coding challenges and incredible online tools that will help Lily and you learn how to code. Let's hop into the adventure. Section 1. Scratch Junior, Storytelling and Animations, ages 3 to 7. Our journey begins when Lily finds a storybook where she discovers Scratch Junior. This coding tool is perfect for kids aged 3 to 7 and allows them to create their own interactive stories and animations. Just like Lily runs to meet new friends in the forest, kids can use Scratch Junior's drag and drop blocks to make their characters move, jump, and even talk. It's a fantastic way to spark creativity while learning coding basics. Let's help Lily animate a fun story. Section 2. KODABLE, Rolling into Coding Basics, which is also ages 3 to 7. Offering both educator and parental options, KODABLE is another place for young learners aged 3 to 7 to start their coding adventure. Lily can find her fuzzy KODABLE friend who teaches her how to use basic coding logic to roll through mazes and solve puzzles. With drag and drop commands, kids can play while learning sequencing and logic effortlessly. Section 3. Tynker, Game Design and Challenges, which is ages 7 plus. Time to level up. Lily discovers Tynker, a platform for kids aged 7 and up. Here, kids can design games, solve coding puzzles, and even start programming robots. With Tynker's guided lessons, kids can build their own mini-games, helping Lily unlock secret pathways in the forests. Let's try it out. Section 4. KODABLE, the Magical Coding Labs, ages 5 plus. And now for the grand finale. Lily enters the world of KODABLE. Lily's first stop is at the Sprite Lab. Here, she learns how to bring characters to life. Just like Lily finds her life in the forest, kids can use Sprite Lab to design their own characters, set their movements, and even create fun animations. Let's see how it works. Next, Lily finds a magic paintbrush in the forest, but there's a catch. The trees can only be painted using code. Over in the paint lab, kids learn how to use simple coding commands to create shapes, patterns, and colorful designs. Look how Lily brightened up the forest. Oh no! Lily's path is blocked by a tricky maze, but with a little coding magic, we can help her navigate through. In Maze Lab, kids learn to sequence commands and use logic to solve problems, just like guiding Lily through the forest puzzle. And now for time for a dance party. Using coding blocks, we can make Lily and her forest friends dance to cool beats. Wow, that was an incredible journey through the world of coding, isn't it? Today we explored some amazing platforms. Scratch Junior for storytelling and animation, KODABLE for beginner logic and sequencing, Tynker for game design and programming, and finally KODABLE for interesting and fun labs. Coding is like magic. It brings ideas to life. So start exploring coding today. In the next video, we'll dive into some more amazing coding platforms that grow with your child's skills. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing coding adventures.